In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Mailchimp account in a simple and straightforward way. Whether you're moving to a new platform or no longer need the service, deleting your Mailchimp account can be done in just a few easy steps, and I'm here to walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp website and enter your login credentials. If you use a password manager, this step will be a breeze. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of the page where your profile icon is located. You'll want to click on this icon to access a drop-down menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option labelled Account and Billing and click on it. This is where you'll find the settings related to your account management. Once you've clicked on Account and Billing, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, you'll see several tabs. Go ahead and select the Settings tab from the options available. Under the Settings tab, you'll find a link to manage my plan. Click on this link to proceed toward deleting your account. This is an important step because it's where you'll make the final decision about your account status. Now, you'll be presented with the option to permanently delete my account. Choose this option if you're sure about deleting your account. Once you've selected this, you'll be prompted to follow a few additional steps to confirm your decision. These prompts are designed to ensure that you are completely certain about going through with the deletion. Be sure to read through any warnings or additional information that Mailchimp provides during this process to fully understand the implications of permanently deleting your account. Keep in mind that permanently deleting your account is an irreversible action. All your data associated with the account will be lost, so make sure this is what you want. If after considering everything you're still uncertain, Mailchimp offers another option to pause your account instead, which retains your data and gives you the flexibility to reactivate later if you change your mind. And that's it. Once you've confirmed the deletion, your Mailchimp account will be permanently deleted, freeing you from the service entirely. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out Mailchimp's help center or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.